how to uninstall Microsoft Edge on your laptop. The first thing you want to do before you will remove or uninstall Microsoft Edge is actually the built-in or the default browser that you should have on your PC or your laptop if you're currently running with um, operating system of Windows 10 or 11. Now, this is very easy and straightforward. Just head directly to your Windows icon and just simply type in add or remove programs. Now click on this gear icon right here that says add or remove programs, and all of your applications, even your default built-in apps, is going to be here. So you can go ahead and manually look for the Microsoft Edge application in here, and you can also search by using the search box. So let's type Microsoft Edge. All I have to do is just click on this one and install it, and you're good to go. So that's it. That's how you uninstall Microsoft Edge.